Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Mandir channel. So today we are going to discuss about building communication system. Okay, so communication channels talk where they listen. So combine email, WhatsApp, SMS, in-app. So basically, so communication channels means where we can able to communicate, where we can communicate to our users or customers. Using the some tools which are there through email or WhatsApp or SMS or in-app. In-app means is a notification, okay, or social media, okay, Facebook, whatever thing channels, right? In that way, you can communicate the your users. That is not come under the retention marketing. That is a generic combination. These are the tools where we are discussing about here: email, WhatsApp, SMS. This is a purely a retention type of marketing. The people who are onboarded or people who are subscribed in your list, so they for them, from user to customers, so that is your own data. I mean, that is your customers, right? So for them, how do we communicate? So what are the tools required? These are the tools is required to communicate to the your users, right? So whatever you're talking about in the Facebook or Instagram, that is a general public. They are not your customers, they are just users. Of course, they're people who are followers. Again, they are also not customers, they're just following. Okay, so match channels to momentum. Okay, so most companies screams through one megaphone, like they email or ads, a random post, but great companies whisper through many small and thoughtful channels. So one of the Razorpay sends instant WhatsApp alert when you receive a payment, monthly reports through email and app tips inside the dashboard. Okay, then Zerodha. So Zerodha send reminds right inside it the platform the moment markets open. That is the perfect timing. Then again Byju's follow-ups you with SMS reminder after the demo class to push sign up to take the class too. Then Zomato is the push notification to tell you your favorite restaurant is offering 20% off today. So these are the communication they are providing it through for their customers, people who are signing or people who are subscribe their services, whatever thing. So these are the very very most important for you or business. You have to use these are the channels. See, each channel has a own superpower. Email, long messages, education, storytelling. Then WhatsApp, quick, trust, friendly reminder. SMS, urgent updates you can send it. In-app messages, action at the right moment. So these are the come under the all these communication channels. See, don't use what easiest to use what works. The goal is not to be loud, okay? It's to be heard. So people should listen your things by you sending or message. People can relate that message and they will open, they'll check it. In that way, you need to write a ad copy to do the nurture, to do the communication through these channels. Okay, yeah, next slide. So, yeah, retention tools automate, don't complicate. Start small, master one tool first. Okay, so automate, don't over automate. See, tools are very very powerful, but remember, they don't replace empathy, they scale it. That's it. So example, if you say here mortgage, Is a tool where you can send the push notifications and that. So moving is track user behavior and it triggers personalized messages. These are the things you can able to track it, and you can based on that you can set up a campaign inside. Okay, so it can be automate all the your push notification messages, WhatsApp. If user open your particular page, if he if they didn't take action in that particular page, so what should we remind to them, these kind of behavior, everything, you should able to see your dashboards in moving these tools. So based on that data you need to create a nurture campaigns. The second one is HubSpot. See, HubSpot connects CRM, email, and billing data to prevent customer drop off. Then retention scale, which we do, we have our own automation tool where we can have analytics or communication through email, WhatsApp, everything we can do automated automations. Then active campaign. So active campaign help small startup build simple follow-up that converts. Is again, active campaign is the email market broad messaging tool where you can send the messages to emails, bulk emails. You can send it, you can do the automation. These are very very important tool in email marketing. This is a very 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 topmost a recommendation tool, active campaign. Yeah. So don't buy the tools because they look cool. Okay, don't buy the tool just for sake of thing. Pick any one tool, get one measurable win like 10% fewer inactive users, then expand it. Tools don't grow companies, clarity and consistency do. This is the very, very most important, you guys. Okay, then predictive retention. Okay, stop losing user before they leave. AI detects early warning signs. Like AI is not the future. Okay, it's your early warning system. That's it. See, send a proactive re-engagement. It means the more engaged flag users who haven't logged in for 7 days. For them, you can send the messages to them. You don't know. You will not able to remember. Sometimes you might be noted. Sometimes you might be forget. But these tools are all right. They will highlight. They will notify to you. This particular user is not open app last 7 days. This user didn't take any action. This user didn't buy purchases in his basket. Everything it will notify you. Based on that, you need to take action to engage to the users. Then Spotify predicts when you will skip the songs, automatically change your playlist order because they understand that they added the a if you're not listening, if you're not like those songs, they will change it right away. Until they make happy, they will do like it. Then e-commerce brands, they predict churn where when customer supports ticket rise. Then SaaS startup like a fresh works predict drop off. If login frequency suddenly drop by 50%, it will notify everything. So these are the things which you need to analyze, and you need to check it. Based on that, you need to plan it and do the messaging follow up. See, instead of apologies after someone cancel, send a message before they disappear. Just small messages. Hey, notice you haven't logged in, last 7 days. Do you need any help with setup? That's it. The small message, they will understand, they will open up, they might be looking for your help. After you sending message, then definitely they will respond, they'll reply to the message. See, prevention is a cheaper than repair. Let A find a problem while you focus on fixing it. Okay. Yeah. So moving to next slide. Okay. So 1 minute. Huh. Customer success meet teams prevent, don't just support. Be proactive, not reactive. It means, see, support fix the problems. Customer success, prevent them. Example, if a Salesforce has dedicated success manager for every enterprise account, and charge B review the customer health score every Friday to catch the red flag early. Even Zoho Success Repairs teach the clients how to use the new features before their renewal. And Canva offers in-app mini tutorials that act like a silent success coaches. So these are the ways they do for their users to engage that. Like that you have to do for your users with the help of your tools. See, a 5 minute success call, right? Today you save a five-figure churn tomorrow. Your customer success team is not a help desk. It's an insurance policy for your revenue. Okay. Yeah. Moving to next slide. Community building. Make them feel they belong. So create a user forums, groups, meetup. See, you can't automate the belonging. You just need to build it. Encourage peer no learning and sharing. So Figma created a design community where users share the files. So you need to build a community. So once you have a set of customers for in your people who are onboarded or people who fill the form, your landing page, for those users you need to have a community, to communicate them, to engage them, to give the value to them, so that you can understand that what they're having a problem. That's the reason you will get to know that you can able to solve their problem, and also you can the vice versa, you can sell it later. I'm not saying to create a community just for your selling product. You are helping to the your customer. You are you are one of solver to their problems. For that, you have to build a community. Why they join your group, why they subscribe your group, why they purchase your product? Because of they liked it, they are looking for the problem, they are looking for the solution, sorry, they are looking for the solution. They need someone who help their problems. That's the reason, right? The customer has joined. Don't take it you know uh, advantages, then they'll never ever come back. Try to solve as much as possible, and they will never ever forget you, and they will recommend you, you know maybe 10 100 peoples. So for that you need to build a community. Duolingo, they celebrate users strikes inside a global leader board. And Shopify hosts online builds day where users learn from each other. Then retention scale plans to build its own retention marketers community for free collaboration. So when users teach each other, retention becomes effortless. Community create a meaning. Meaning creates a loyalty. Don't just build a product, build a tribe that's proud to use it. Okay? Yeah, move on. Optimize and scale. See, storytelling. How to optimize means you need to be a storytelling. See, make your product talk like a human. Data informs, story connects. It means the people forget the graphs, but they remember the stories. See, data explains what is that, what is this metric, what, how much you got it, how much the increase, decrease, blah blah. But stories connect you. See, Canva showcase, real designers explaining how templates saved them 10 hours weekly. That's a story. Then ChargeBee doesn't just say we reduce churn. They tells the founder story for cutting churn by 23% in 90 days. That's a story. Zoho features small business owners talking about the growth after using their CRM. That's a story. HubSpot share the customer success reels, not futures the list. Again, a story. So here the trick is basically turn every metric into a moment. Instead of saying future update v2.23 what etc., say just how Ramesh from Hyderabad saved 2 hours a day using our new dashboard. That's a story. So you need to build in that way. See, fact build trust, story build memory. So you don't need a fancy production, just real customer voice is enough to build. Okay, so always you need to create a storytelling kind of content. Then retention experiments, test everything, fear nothing. Yeah, test one thing per week. How many of you, after doing test or maybe experiment, if it is failed, how many people are disappointed? Just comment in below. See, until you know the test or experiment, then only you will get to know that what is working, what is not working. If you're not doing any test, if you're not doing experiment, you will not be able to understand that what, why it is working, how it is working, then only you'll get to know, right? If it is working, then how do we enhance that one? If it is not working, how to improve that, how to optimize that, what is another alternate option? Then only we'll able to improve, right? So you need to be focus, do the test. Okay, growth is not a guess, okay, it's a test only. Keep retention like a document, decide, deploy. See, HubSpot, test two onboarding emails every month, A/B testing. Then Swiggy test notifications timing by city and meal type. And Netflix changes even thumbnail images to see what you click. Even Zomato test subject lines like a dinner plans versus hungry. These are the testing. You just need to do the A/B testing but messages. The same message only you need to create a two type of variants. So you can implement that messages, and you can understand that how many people are interacting that message, how many people are clicking that messages, how many people are engaging that your messages. Then you will able to understand that okay, the variation A is working, variation B is not working. So we need to Write a content, you need to plan it according to that way. See, don't assume what users want. Okay, prove it within the data. Start a retention log in Notion or Google Sheet every week. Test one idea, a subject line, button color, or CTA button. Within 30 days, you will have your own winning formula. See, testing builds a confidence. Every failed test is a step closer to knowing your users for real. Okay. Yeah. Revenue expansions help first, then sell. How many people are agree with that? Please comment in the box. How many people are remember? Can you? I think most of the people are aware about that, but I remember this thing. When you visit a hotel, most of the people are they uh, put it frame a quote. Um, Customer is a god. Then one more quote will be a first serve, then uh, then sell it something there, maybe then ask money something the quote will be there. See, it, it means first of all you need to help them, then you can sell it. See, retention is doesn't mean that you stop selling, it means you sell differently. So previously we know only one way, one strategy where you can sell the product, can put it the product, people can check out, add to cart, then check out, then fill the information, then buy it, that's it. Then later, a lot of so many people are introduce the upselling, cross selling, you know different type of selling where you can get more success. So upselling, these and all very huge topics we will cover, we'll discuss in the future videos. Okay, I will tell you this uh, short about the upsell. What is, so you have a product which is cost maybe around 299, you are selling that product. Example, you are selling something, mm, ebook. Okay, that ebook cost will be a 299, and customer are purchasing that product. While purchasing their product in checkout, you are adding a one more product which is a template. So when user come to the checkout, obviously he'll see the final price, right? What is the final price of with the GST, without GST. Then I can able to see this another product which is a 99 rupees. This is a template. So, and you will mention there it, if you buy this ebook, and you will get this template how to implement it, how to use it, then obviously customer will attract, and they will excite to purchase it because the cost also very less compared to the main core product. That is called upselling. You are showing is a product which is 299, but you are selling a product 400 rupees. Yeah. See, Canva Pro upsells advanced templates only after you design your first few graphics. Then Slack expands your plan when your team grows naturally. And Zoho cross selling extra tools once trust is built. Okay, Notion offers the team plans after users master the personal plan. See, serve first, sell second. Upsell after success feel like a help, not pressure at all. If user wins, they will ask you for more. If they fail, they will cancel it. See, more revenue doesn't come from new buyers. It comes from the old ones winning again and again. This is a remember guys. More revenue does not come from the new buyers. It comes from your existing customer. Okay? Customer journey mapping. See the whole picture. Visualize every step of the customer journey. Imagine flying without map. That's how most founders run their product. Mark drop off fixed for 1 month. By seeing visualization, you will able to exactly able to understand where it is lacking, where is the gap. Here I can like telling example Notion, maps every stage. They sign up, they create first page, invite team, and upgrade. Then fresh work track drop off between the trial and paid users. The Duolingo identify the where people stop lessons and send reminders. Shopify map merchants journey from sign up, first sale, and repeat sale. See, draw your customer journey like a treasure map. Okay, boxes, stages, arrows, communication, whatever. When you see the flow right, you will see the leaks. You'll able to see the leaks. Where is the gap? See, don't overcomplicate it. You don't need software. A whiteboard is enough for to save 30% of lost your users. That's enough. Data and dashboards measures to grow. The five matrix, which is very very important to your retention marketing. Churn, retention, LTV, NRR, activation. See, numbers tell the truth faster than opinions. So, example, the mix panel tracks daily active users and churn and future usage. Even Google's Data Studio gives instant retention graphs. Amplitude, shows behavior patterns by cohort. Then retention scale automates the dashboard for your churn rate, lifetime value, customer, and engagement thing. See, check your data weekly basis like a doctor checks your vitals. Don't drone in a spreadsheet. Okay, focus on that. These are the major metrics you need to focus on that. Churn, retention, LTV, net revenue. Okay, then activations. See, basically, churn is people who are leaving you are from you. Then retention is who are staying you. Then lifetime value is value for each user. Then NRR is net revenue from your old users. Activation rate is who achieved first success. See what get measured improves. Dashboard turn confusion into clarity, and clarity drives decisions. Okay, yeah. Next one is the lead with cultural. Retention automations make tech feel human. Trigger based on behavior, not a time. Review workflows monthly. See, automation is not about the doing less, it's about doing the right things at the right time. A retention scale triggers a WhatsApp nudges if user has not logged in 3 days. Okay, then it will send the messages. Even Moengage auto send the general we miss you emails like that. Zapier connects a billing is Slack so your team sees your churn alert instantly. Even HubSpot workflows reminds account managers to follow up your before renewal. See, automation should feel like a care, not a code. Set it once, review it monthly, and always test tone. That's it. Automated tasks, but keep your emotions manual. Okay. People don't remember your bots. They remember how you made them feel. That's it. Voice of customers. Listen louder than you talk. Collect feedback, place spot patterns. Close loop, ask, act, announce. Customers are constantly talking, you just need have to tune it. That's it. See, HubSpot compiles weekly list of first top features requests from for your product teams. Then fresh days, they post top 10 customers ask board every month. Notion turns Twitter feedback into the product updates. Then Amazon reads millions of reviews to plan next year features. See, voice of customer is not a survey; it's a conversation. Ask, acknowledge, and announce what you did about it. When customers see their ideas implemented, they don't just stay; they became a fans. As I said before, you. Okay, move on to next slide. Yeah, case study. Sorry. Before after stories. Show metrics, visual proof. See, case studies is very, very most important for your upcoming users, right? So everyone now, I think everyone is having testimonials. There are people who see the Google reviews and will buy it. Of course, Google reviews maybe uh, genuine or fake. Both the cases, both the things are there. Uh, but apart from these review types, there are so many different type of reviews. People can take a video reviews, screenshots, uh, message screenshot. These are the reviews people can connect. They can understand you are genuine guy. Here you can see that ChargeBee published a story showing how client boosted renewal by 23%. Zoho Books features a small business owner saving hours each week. Canva highlights top creators and their design workflow. MailChimp shares customer win in short video, not ads. Show numbers always. Screenshot, faces, people buy results, not a features. Okay. Turn data into stories and stories into trust. That's simple. So keep ask your customers testimonials. Then retention strategies planning. Plan churn like a project. Set 90 days retention goals. Assign the owners with the KPIs. Okay, and to sit it relax. If you see Zoho CRM set 90 days target. They cut churn rate from 8% to 4%. Even the Salesforce created quarterly playbooks by customer segment. Early stage SaaS teams use Monday.com boards to track the task and owners. See, write down, okay, who owns what metrics by when and with which tool. If no one is own retention, everyone ignore it. Planning turns intent into accountability. These are very, very most important, guys. Cross team culture, everyone own retention. Shared dashboard, share responsibility. Team wide recognition for loyalty scores. See, retention is not a marketing metric, it's a company habit. Okay. At Zoho, support, product, and marketing shares one NPS dashboard. Then HubSpot celebrates the retention wins during the weekly all hands. Swiggy rewards delivery team for consistency 5-star rating. Apple train its store staff to measure customer satisfaction daily. When everyone cares about your user experience, loyalty happens naturally, guys. Make a retention shared scoreboard because customer judge you as a one team. Okay. Yeah. Zero churn mindset. Act before they leave. Yeah. Anticipate churn before it happen. Say thank you for after renewal. Okay. See, if you see, you might be never hit by 0% churn, but you can think like it. Apple thanks you immediately after renewal before you even consider leaving. Even Netflix notifies you when your card fails, before action stop. Even retention scale also personal thank you notes after consulting. Duolingo cheers you logging back in after a break. See, zero churn is not a number; it's an attitude. Always act fast. Retention is not about the data; it's about the dignity. So remember names, okay, not a numbers at all. In this case, okay, yeah. So that's it, guys. I think we have covered thing, okay, till A to Z. So if anyone have any queries or doubts, please comment in the box. Okay, I'll try to uh, solve your problems. If anyone uh, having a business, if you want to you know your customer, basically you want to scale up your customer nurturing campaign retention marketing, if you need help, you can book a one-on-one call with me. I'll give the description in the calendar. Okay, you can check the calendar availability and we can book it. We'll discuss your account, will your problems, and we will see your account. We will guide you, we'll give the strategies, you can implement it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If anyone not subscribe my video, please subscribe, so you'll get notified whenever I upload any videos. Okay, if you like it, this video, please share to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and if I miss anything topic, or maybe if I maybe wrong or maybe correct, please correct me below description. I will you know uh, I will also learn from you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, see you next video.